Have you ever felt like everything that you've been working on for the last year is just kind of crumbling and deconstructing right in front of you, and you feel like you're pretty much back at square one and kind of feel like it's all a bunch of bullshit?
Hi, friend. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Cassidy, and welcome back to Unpacking Life.
I look back at all these videos I've made about how much I've changed and grown, and how my heart is more open, and I feel more at peace, and I feel more connected to the people around me, and then I feel like this. Like I don't trust myself. I don't know which direction to take that will help me to be better, to bring me to my highest good. All the work I've done on trusting my intuition, I feel like is just gone, like in an instant. I'm questioning if I even have anything good to offer to you, the world around me. These past 3 weeks have been a real shitstorm. I feel like I'm that 16-year-old teenager girl all over again. I am in overwhelm. I'm shutting down. I feel like I can't organize any of the thoughts in my head. I feel like thoughts are spinning around so fast I can't even grasp onto them, recognize them, process them. It just feels like chaos in my head. I'm unraveling. My confidence is getting lost. My self-worth is fading. I don't feel capable. I feel like the peace that I had in my heart 3 weeks ago is like a lifetime ago. It feels so distant. My stresses are turning into anxiety, like forcing me to leave social situations and go outside and cry and just feel out of control. I feel myself slipping away. I feel like all the tools I have in my tool belt are barely keeping my head above the water. I feel like I'm hanging on by a thread. And all the things that I'm trying to do for myself, meditating, journaling, watching the sunset, dancing with my earbuds in, or getting a massage, treating myself to something nice, manicure, pedicure. All those things are just barely holding me together. I feel so fragile. And it feels really vulnerable to feel fragile. For me, I don't like it. I want to feel strong and capable. I feel the distance between me and my loved ones. Phone calls and Zoom is not enough right now. I miss the hugs. I miss that unspoken support of my friends. I miss your hugs, you guys. I could really use them right now. I know I feel myself just withdrawing and shutting down because I don't want confrontation. I don't want to have to face these things, have the difficult conversations. Everything just feels so messy right now. I don't even know where to begin. I feel my old habits creeping back in. I'm talking down to myself. I am being extremely judgmental on myself. I am finding it very difficult to like anything about myself right now. I have to reach real deep to even come up with something. I'm working really hard to feel some love and grace for myself. I miss my capable self, my confident self. And I really need her here now. And I just don't know where she is. It's been challenging to redirect my mindset, where my thoughts go, what I think about. I tailspin real fast these days. I go from like 0 to 60 in, 1 point something seconds. I try to redirect when I notice it. I try to distract myself, dive into a book or watch TV or just take a nap, go to sleep. I feel like I'm constantly having to pick myself back up right now, and I'm tired. I'm exhausted by it. I feel like I've created this beautiful life with Alex in Bali, and I'm watching it from the outside. Like, I can't really feel the good of it. And that is really painful. That hurts my heart so deeply. And then I have so much judgment on myself about feeling this way. I feel like it is so self-indulgent and self-absorbed of me to be feeling this way. Like I'm creating drama where there is none. Maybe some self-sabotage. And now I think, like, why can't I just get over myself? Get over this. This is ridiculous. I'm really trying to do things differently, to behave differently. And it's not working, and I'm frustrated. It's infuriating to like have the awareness and then feel like I can't do anything about it. Intellectually, I know this will pass. That it's probably just my hormones raging from HRT. Intellectually, I know that. I have 100% understanding of that. I know that it's just this moment, just this day, just these weeks. It will pass. I tell myself, it will pass. I'm trying to remember that there's a beautiful, capable, strong, and confident woman on the other side of this muck. That's who my true self is. And I share this with you because I don't want the shame to fester and grow inside of me because I feel shame. I remember this concept Brene Brown speaking about, that the shame will grow and intensify the more you bury it and keep it secret. And I don't want that to happen to me. So I'm sharing what these past few weeks have been like for me, not only to weaken my shame, but to also let you know that you're not alone. Know that if you're feeling this way too, I understand. I feel you. No one is perfect. I'm not perfect. You're not perfect. We all do things in our life that we're embarrassed about, regret, or feel shame about. We all wished we had made a different choice at some point or another. Or we wish that we had behaved differently. What we can do is be accountable for it. Speak about it. Apologize. And try to do it differently next time. And anyone who loves you for who you are will appreciate that accountability. They will appreciate you, and they will forgive you. And they will love you even more for it. Those friends and loved ones who want to help you rise above will be there for you through the thick and thin of it. So don't keep it bottled up inside, because it will be like a poison if you do. Much love to you.